What you think? Oh no. That is a big no for me.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
So Matt messaged me earlier and said, hey man, I got this idea for a drink. Can you come up and give it a taste? All right. Well, I'll be up. And so here we go. What up? You stretching? Yeah, that's a good idea. Good idea.
You're an oat milk hater though, right?
I'm an oat milk hater.
Okay.
It's the Latte Lounge. And if the sign is on, you're welcome to stop by. But the sign's not on, so don't stop by. We've got the La Marzocco GS3, and then there is a Monster Mini with the doserless, and then brand new Malconi X54. This will do twin jobs of both pour over and espresso. Works pretty well.
I went to all of the Latin grocery stores and I bought every type of horchata drink, mix, concentrate, liquid, etc.
Wow.
I have made a couple recipes that I like with the concentrate from this gal, and I think for ease of catering, the concentrated cold brew is going to be the way to go.
So there's Rio Mex Concentrado de Horchata.
Amazing.
Is this how it normally is with this?
It has chunks of rice in it.
Oh, wow. But what's the black?
I'm assuming some spice. So it's got water, sugar, rice, oatmeal, cinnamon, vanilla, xanthan gum.
So this is a Mexican style.
Yep.
Then this is Horchata de Morro from Izalco, product of El Salvador. Then there's Horchata B&B Horchata. This is a product of Guatemala. Delicia Horchata Concentrate. Oh, this one is a little bit of separation. Ooh.
What needs shaking?
Nice. Oh, this is Mexico. Veracruz.
I already opened, yeah.
Rio Grande Horchata de Morro. What's the difference between these two?
One has
with milk. With okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
And then this is Mi Canton, Horchata de Morro from Jessup. Real American horchata.
That they just made that up.
Okay.
I'm going for ease and deliciousness.
Perfect.
So there's a line. I know you like to do the hardest way, every way, no matter what.
It's only in
your store. Yeah. So if I got a line of 60 people on a hot summer day, I need to be able to get them this in 30 seconds to a minute.
Understood.
But I want it to be delicious as well.
People have this idea that I have this like inflexible, crazy standard. Even my sister-in-law, she was hesitant to have me help with their coffee program. She was like, "You're too hardcore." I was like, "I'm hardcore for my own shop, but I'm not hardcore for other people's shops. You tell me what your standard is, and I'll help you figure out a program." So if you need consulting, let me know.
I got 2 liters of the concentrate that I just made with Young's fancy machine.
With the commercial version, right?
The commercial one. Yeah.
Oh, that's the fancy one. I can't afford that one.
I actually was bragging to people on my catering group about it, and they were like, oh.
Yeah, if they want some, let us know. We'll send them some. If you're interested in the back view, let me know in the comments. We'll help you get some. No problem.
So, what I've been doing is measuring everything to the same,
Nice.
That's
very professional.
Very professional.
So what's the concentration you're working with here?
10 to 1.
10 to 1, okay.
So I've been doing 2 fluid ounces, 60 milliliters. Pour it in, alright? About 4 ounces of oats milk. I'd say about 50% of people get oat milk. But I'm also wondering, since this is oat and this is made with oat, if it's gonna...
Is this oat also?
Yeah, there's oats in this. Yeah.
That's what we call an abomination.
Yeah. So far, I think this is the best, so I want to get your opinion. I'm hoping to find a good one. See, that's almost like rice pudding. It's like super concentrated, and it's got a... I mean, it's got a nice smell. Yeah. And it's pretty much all natural. It's got some like xanthan gum, which you got to for the shelf life.
Well, not really.
Well, what? Yeah. I mean, you can't.
Xanthan is actually is a thickening agent.
Well, yeah, but you gotta have shit to preserve it.
Yeah, but the preservative is okay. So let's go. We'll come back to the preservative later.
Yeah.
So you're stick blending it.
For my iced lattes, these work just absolutely amazing when I'm making it with concentrate. It basically just infuses it with air.
Right.
Like the steam one would, minus heat. And then it pours so nice over ice.
Yeah, see, in here they have potassium sorbate and sodium benzoate. That's your preservative.
All right.
Oh.
There's the first horchata cold brew.
Is that what you're calling it? Horchata cold brew?
I'm gonna call it a horchata iced latte because usually when I ask, I say, look, I can make it with cold brew because that's what pretty much all the places do now.
Because they're charlatans.
Yes. Well, Starbucks has made garbage now. Like, you know, like they've got...
They use cold brew.
They use... Well, yeah.
It must be this much of a head.
Yeah, I like the head. It looks pretty over ice. He must like it because he's chugging.
I don't know if I'm really the best person to evaluate this with any kind of like objectivity because I love horchata.
Okay.
Like I will suck horchata down. When we're at El Vilcito in Mexico City, they have these big vats of horchata that's super cold, and I will just...
Okay, you're good then because
I can't
you know coffee and you love horchata. So off of your horchata experiences of you chugging it down,
I like it.
Where does it fall?
I like it.
Okay.
It's good. This is good.
Okay, good.
But I guess maybe the question that people might want to ask is like, is this an elevated specialty coffee drink? Maybe not.
I don't care
But
if it
this
is.
is just fun and tasty.
I want it to be a refreshing coffee drink for summer.
Yeah, I just wish there was like not so much foam.
Okay.
I don't like too much head.
You don't like... Okay.
Just a little head.
Okay. In terms of the coffee, horchata mix, enough coffee for you?
Yeah. I mean, the nice thing about this is that in this particular concentration that you have going, there's a good balance. The coffee is just really kind of this subtle character to it. It's kind of like this bass tone that fills in the bottom end.
That's what I was... Okay,
And
good.
gives it roundness. I think it's really well done. It's not terribly... It's not like you're drinking and it's super pronounced.
That's... Okay, good. That's what I'm going for. So you think most people will be like, oh, there's coffee in there.
I think
And-
the Starbucks crowd could go wild for it.
Okay.
Remember when we went to Pete's?
Yeah.
And I had the mocha?
Yep.
It has that character of the coffee blended in with the mocha, so it's just fun and
Perfect. Okay.
lightly sweet and really enjoyable.
This has been my favorite so far. That's why I gave it to you first.
Okay.
But I would absolutely love, in terms of speed, to have one of these mixes taste okay.
Your ingredients are coffee, oat milk, and this. If you're familiar with horchata is made with like white rice. They soak the rice, mix it with canela, which is the Mexican style of cinnamon, and sugar, and that's it.
That's it.
So like this horchata naturally is dairy free. But why not see how this is with just water?
Oh.
Because this is rice.
And pre-make it.
So why?
Just pour it.
Yeah, and then you could just. But I mean, the question is more like it's already a dairy alternative.
Yes.
On its own.
Yes.
Why mix it with oat?
I think you got a good
That's
point.
the question. We should try it.
Okay.
Let's try
do
it. Yeah, because at Spro we would make horchata basically like that. Put it into a vat, sit it overnight with water so that it softens, just like you're making a lot of the different types of nut milks. And then we'll blend it the next day and then strain it to get the solids out of it. Mix it with sugar, you're pretty much done.
It could just be the horchata cart.
Yeah. Horchata man.
The horchata man. It froths.
Is it frothing?
Yeah. I mean, that just looks like iced coffee to me.
Right, because it doesn't have the thickness
Of the milk.
of the oats. Yeah. Or the thickening agents in the oats.
So you may love this. Not as...
Not
frothy.
as frothy. Okay. Which may be something to consider for your presentation.
Taste is still there. More of a coffee drink now.
No, it's better with the oats. I'm very reticent to say something is better with oat milk.
The
But
cinnamon comes through more, though.
the cinnamon's very pronounced. The brightness in the coffee is very pronounced.
It comes through.
I like it toned down more with the oat.
That's
Like, 'cause
that's
more
good
creamy.
for, like, iced coffee, though. Like, that's still refreshing.
Plus, the sweetness really is shining through now.
Oh, yeah.
Like, I think it's a little bit too
Too-
sweet.
it's
too sweet, not milky enough.
Yeah. I started using those little counter doodads, those units of measure, as they call it.
Oh, right.
And it makes so much more sense.
The measurement or just the fact that you're measuring?
The measurement.
Oh, okay.
Like, why don't we use the metric system?
Because those people don't believe in freedom.
Let's try horchata de moro. So serving size is 3 tablespoons. If I'm mixing with coffee, I'm gonna go 1.5. So 1 still seems like a lot. All right.
Not as much of a head.
Not as much.
Mi canton.
Oh no. That is a big no for me. Artificial tasting.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
No. How about this one? B&B horchata.
Just as thick. Almost like rice pudding. So this is fairly fast too. Think if I had a line of people, they get this, they will be pleasantly surprised.
But I wonder, could you mix everything together?
Yes, I think.
Into like a full-on RTU kind of mix. Then put it to your pitcher, and then blend it to get the froth. Pour and like
Go.
blend and then serve.
And say I don't use it all for an event, you think it would be okay the next day? Like next week? Maybe.
Under refrigeration, maybe 5 days.
Okay, gotcha.
Maybe.
What do you think?
Not as good as Rio Mix. Rio Mix es mejor.
You're 100% right. More pronounced coffee taste.
I think this has texture and just general deliciousness.
And this is very generic.
Now I know what to offer at Spro. Yeah, see, that looks just different.
It does look different. There's a lot of cinnamon in this one. So this is Delicia Horchata. Not near
It
as...
looks a bit creamy too. Thin. And ooh, yeah. Heavy on that artificial tasting cinnamon.
Yeah. Don't like it. Nope.
No. As my girlfriend in Mexico used to say, no. Can we go out tonight? No.
Should I even try these? Because
You've already tried them all, so
winner.
you don't need to subject me to the not so good stuff. But I think we should double check the real mix.
Do it. I could make like 3 gallons of this. Should we try a little less or the same?
No, do the same. At the price point, you're not gaining anything by cutting it down a little bit. Yeah.
These little whiskers really are great. Oh yeah. Oh. Just the presentation is even like...
We're back again.
That's it, man.
That's so much better.
So much better.
So much milkier, creamier, smoother,
Doesn't
well-rounded.
taste fake.
Yeah, it doesn't have that artificialness. Everything is really well blended. Wow.
Yeah.
You know what's missing? Would you hit me with some rice? With horchata, it should be cold. Like, you know how you get Coca-Cola and it's like super cold, so it like burns? When you have horchata that cold, I just meal.
That's all the ice maker had.
Oh, that's all. It's good. That's
It's
good.
working as you can hear it.
That's okay. Está bien.
Yeah, but really, really cold?
Oh my gosh, man. It would be so nice. So nice, super cold. So here's the thing. I will suck this down. The rest I won't. This one I will just chug and lug this mother.
Awesome. I think I found my recipe.
All right, excellent. All right, that's it from the Latte Lounge. Next time.